Alright folks, great work so far. In the previous videos you have installed Git, which is a version control system, Vim, which is a basic text editor which can be used in the terminal, and then package managers for each of your respective operating systems. Now, some of you might be wondering, why are we using Vim? Why aren't we installing Visual Studio Code or Sublime or Atom or whatever? Well, first off, don't worry, I am not a purist. Sometimes in the industry, you will meet software engineers who are purists. They believe in doing everything in the terminal. I am not one of those people. However, in the future, when you're working as a real software engineer at a company, you will sometimes be accessing and doing stuff in remote systems where there's no graphical user interface available. There won't be Visual Studio Code or Sublime or Atom or whatever else on that machine, and so knowing how to use a basic text editor like Vim is a very useful skill. I'm just going to teach you and get you accustomed to some of the key bindings in Vim, and then later on in this course, when we actually start writing our game or program, you're welcome to switch to a proper IDE. But anyways, that's enough blabbering from my end. We need to install Python now. For Mac and Linux, the commands for installing Python are very straightforward, exactly the same as what we use to install Git and Vim. It's brew install and sudo apt install python 3. Just to show you an example here, I'm going to do brew install python 3, and then after everything is finished installing, I can confirm that it has installed properly by typing python 3 as a command, and it will put me inside the Python command line.